Good afternoon, this is Mr. Coleman with your latest video, Maths Revision Outside the Classroom. This video is on solving equations, and it's number 16. Right, so let us start with a simple equation such as x plus 4 equals 7. We just ask ourselves what number add 4 equals 7, and of course it's 3 is the answer. We could have obtained this answer 3 simply by doing the opposite of plus 4, which is minus 4. 7 minus 4 gives us 3. If we have 2x equals 8, 2x means 2 multiplied by x. The opposite of multiplication by 2 is divide by 2. So x will equal 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. If we have x minus 9 equals 12, the opposite of minus 9 is plus 9. So we get x equals 12 plus 9 equals 21. If we have 3x equals 5, then the opposite of times 3 is divide by 3. X is 5 divided by 3, which does not go exactly, but is simply 1 2/3, because 3 into 5 goes 1, remainder 2. Suppose we now have the equation x plus 4 equals minus 2. The opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So the answer is minus 6. Suppose we have x over 5 equals 7. Over means divide. The opposite of divide by 5 is multiply by 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Suppose we have minus 3y equals 9. Minus 3 times y is 9. The opposite of multiply is divide. 9 divided by minus 3 is minus 3. So the answer to minus 3y equals 9 is y equals minus 3. Now consider the equation 2y plus 1 equals 4. So this time there are two steps involved. We first have to get rid of the plus 1, so we minus 1. So we get 2y equals 3. Then we have to get rid of the times 2, which is divide by 2, and 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So the answer is 1.5 or 1.5. Suppose we now have 3x plus 5 equals 8. The opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. So 3x equals 8 minus 5, which is 3. And the opposite of times 3 is divide by 3. So y will be 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Suppose we have 4x plus 2 equals 7. 4x is 7 minus 2, which is 5, and x is 5 over 4, which is 1 1/4. Suppose we now have 4 minus 3x equals 11. We first get rid of the plus 4, so minus 3x is 11 minus 4, which is 7, and then we get rid of the minus 3, and it's minus 3 times x, so the opposite of times is divide, so it's 7 divided by minus 3, which is minus 2 1/3. Suppose now we have an equation with x's on both sides. You might have 4x plus 7 equals 3x plus 2. We first find the smallest x and subtract it. So the smallest x is the 3x. So we subtract the 3x from both sides so that the equation balances, and you get x plus 7 equals 2. Then it's simply a matter of getting rid of the plus 7, minusing it. So 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So the answer is x equals minus 5. Now consider we have the equation 3x plus 2 equals 5x minus 1. This time the smallest x is the 3x, so we subtract it from both sides. Subtract it from the 5x gives us 2x, so you have simply 2 equals 2x minus 1. Then the opposite of minus 1 is plus 1. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. And the opposite of times 2 is divide by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. The last one we'll look at is the equation 3 minus y is 4 plus 2x. 4 plus 2y. 3 minus y is 4 plus 2y. This time minus y is the smallest value of y, so we do the opposite. We add y to both sides. So we get 4 equals 3 plus 3y. Then we have to get rid of the plus 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. And then we have to get rid of the times 3. Divide by 3. Y is 1/3. Well, we hope you found this video useful. Now you should go away and practice some questions on equations. Till the next time.